Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with GitHub using Passkeys and MFA detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with GitHub using Passkeys and multi-factor authentication, start by opening your favorite web browser. Navigate to the GitHub website and log in to your account. If you do not have a GitHub account, create one by following the sign-up process. Once logged in, go to your account settings by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, click on Security. Next, find the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication. Click on Enable Two-Factor Authentication. You will see options for authentication methods. Choose Security Key or Authenticator app, but for this guide, we'll focus on using Passkeys. If prompted, click on Setup. You will need to insert a compatible security key into your device or set up the passkey through your Authenticator app. Follow the on-screen instructions to register your passkey. Complete the process to add your passkey to your GitHub account. After registering your passkey, you may want to enable additional multi-factor authentication options for added security. Return to the Two-Factor Authentications section to configure any backup methods, like recovery codes or an authentication app. Once you have completed the setup, log out of your GitHub account. Now, log back in to ensure the passkey and MFA are working correctly. When prompted, use your registered passkey to authenticate. If everything is set up correctly, you should gain access to your account seamlessly. For enhanced security, routinely check your security settings to ensure your methods are up to date. You are now authenticated with GitHub using Passkeys and multi-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.